Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Vantage to TradingView in 2026. For that, you need to come here on tradingview.com. Then simply launch any of the Forex or the gold charts in front of you. So here, as you can see, I've opened the chart of gold in front of me. But if you don't know how to open the chart, you just have to come here on TradingView. Then use the search bar on the top. After that, simply use the search bar here in order to type the chart that you want to launch over here. For example, let's say I want to launch the chart of Euro USD. So here you can type Euro USD, then click on the option of launch chart. Basically, once you are inside this particular chart, simply click on the option of trading panel in the bottom left hand corner of the screen. Now, when you see this type of list in front of you, click on the option of show all brokers. Now from this particular list, you just have to search for Vantage. You can also use the search bar here on the top right hand corner. Then you can type Vantage. As you can see, Vantage is available here. So when you see its icon in front of you, click on it once. Then click on the option of connect. So it is going to redirect you here on the official website of Vantage. So here on this particular page, simply provide your email address and your password associated with the live account of Vantage. So when you click on the option of connect, you will be able to successfully connect your Vantage account to TradingView in 2026. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.